Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to change a wallpaper on Android phone. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Android phone. Now to change this background, first of all, I'll tap on any open space over here. For now, I'm tapping over here. After that, over here you can see here is home screen setting. Tap on this and after that you can see here is wallpaper. Tap on the same and over here you'll find multiple options to change the wallpaper. For now, I'll go with this wallpaper gallery. Over here you can find different wallpapers of your default phone. You can choose any one from here and after that just tap on this set wallpaper. For now, I'm going with this blue one and I'll tap on this set wallpaper. Now if I go back, you can see my wallpaper is changed. So in this way, we can change wallpaper on our Android phone. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.